Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about routing. In my previous video itself, I have explained what is routing and what are the types of routing. If you want to know, I will give the link for the video in the top right corner. You can check there. Now I'm going to give the practical demonstration. Before that, we can see what we are going to implement so that we will have the idea in our mind. First of all, I'm going to create a home page and I will create a dashboard. So we have to create a page for that dashboard also. In a way, this dashboard will be publicly available for routing and accessible. And next, I will create a setting folder as a nested file so we can create a nested routing. So we know the clear idea about what we are going to implement. So first, here we have a page. So let me remove the contents which we don't need. And let me provide div tag. Div tag is going to be home. Next, I'm going to create a folder dashboard. For this, I'm going to create page.js. Here, create a React function and implement again dashboard so we can identify the dashboard. Next, we are going to create a setting nested folder which will act as a nested routing. So, setting here, create a page.js. Create a React function component and give setting. Open the terminal, run the Next.js server. So you can see here we have the landing page, dashboard routing, setting, nested routing, home page of the Next.js application. Now the home page has been rendered successfully. Next, I'm going to provide dashboard which is publicly available for routing. Dashboard page also coming properly. Next, I'm going to provide setting. So here the setting page also coming properly without any issues. But till now we are routing the files through providing manually the address or URL. It is not right way to navigate. To overcome the issue, we are going to navigate in two methods. One is link component, another one is use router. Link component is used to directly navigate to the destination folder through the click. Use router is used to navigate to the destination using a function. Let me explain with the example so you can understand properly. Here, now I'm going to the home page, close the terminal and close this folder also and create a empty fragment. Here, import link tag. Import link tag. Here, link link. I'm going to provide dash board, destination as a dashboard, dashboard slash, we don't need slash here. So we can check the file name which is present here and which we have given here. So in the way we can route without any issues. Let me copy this dashboard link tag, paste it again, and setting, dashboard setting. So this is the URL for dashboard. Go to the front end, go to the home page. So the both elements are in a same line itself. To overcome this, I'm going to provide BR tag. So now if we go and check, this one is dashboard, this one is setting. Go to dashboard page. The same way I'm going to provide empty fragment and import link tag, link setting, link, and homepage. I'm going to copy the link tag which is present here and paste it directly for the setting page. So after navigating to the dashboard, from here we can navigate to the setting page, and I'm going to provide another link tag which is for home. Remove the address, provide slash. This will navigate to the home. Now let's go to the dashboard. Now the dashboard page has been rendered. Here also we need to give BR tag. So go to the front end. I want to go to the setting page. So it will directly navigate to the setting page. So in this setting page, I want to submit some form and I want to navigate to the home page. But with this link tag, we can't do that. For, for that, I'm going to use router. Before using use router, I'm going to convert the server component to client. Whenever we are going to use state, use effect, at that time we have to convert the server component to client component. So import use router, and here I have a form component. Before that, I'm going to provide fragments, provide here form, form. Here on submit arrow function, here within this form I'm going to provide only input submit, input type submit. So input submit. Here I'm going to create a variable constant router use router. So here for updated use router we can use navigation instead of next router. Here router dot push, and for home page we have to provide slash e dot given default. Let's go to the front end. Here we are receiving some error, so let me change it to text slash and remove this. Here I'm going to create button type submit and submit, so it will change. Let's go to the front end. Now we can see the form and the submit button. Provide input as a name and submit. So it is navigated to the home page directly without link tag. So this is how the use router is used to navigate to the destination. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time. Please provide your valuable thoughts in a comment section.